Hey, it's Dustin, and in this video I'm going to show you how to get your already installed laminated floor that has separated back into place. So in our house, because the temperature fluctuates from summer to winter, we do get separation in our laminate flooring. And so what I do is I take one of these glass suction cups. It's made for holding up glass, and I'll put a link down in the description of where you can get that on Amazon. And then I just stick it on one of the laminate flooring planks and then just hit it over with the mallet, and that will move it over. And something else that I do just to seal the deal, so to speak, is I just take some glue, and I'm just using some cheap super glue, and on the very last one I'll just put a little bead of glue in there. That way that won't allow it to separate, and it's kind of just stuck right there. So that's what I do, and I'll show you how it works.